Are you planning to buy the OnePlus 15 but not sure if it's worth your money? Then stay tuned, because in this video we'll cover everything you need to know about the OnePlus 15 in just 5 minutes. From design and display to performance, cameras, battery life, and pricing, we'll break it all down in simple words so you can make the right choice. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the design. The OnePlus 15 keeps the premium feel that OnePlus phones are known for. It has a sleek metal frame with smooth edges, and the back comes in matte as well as glossy finishes. The phone is thinner than before but still strong, which makes it easy to hold. OnePlus has also added better protection against scratches and water, so you don't have to worry much about daily use. The punch-hole camera on the front keeps the screen clean, and the bezels are super slim, giving the phone a modern look. Next is the display, which is one of the best parts of this phone. The OnePlus 15 comes with a 6.8-inch AMOLED screen that supports 2K resolution. Colors look sharp, bright, and very natural, which is perfect if you love watching movies or scrolling through photos. The refresh rate goes up to 120 Hz, meaning the screen feels smooth whether you are gaming or just scrolling social media. It also supports high brightness levels, so you can see clearly even under the sun. Now let's move on to performance. The OnePlus 15 is powered by the latest Snapdragon chip, making it one of the fastest Android phones out there. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or running heavy apps, the phone handles everything without slowing down. It comes with up to 16 GB of RAM, which means multitasking is smooth, and storage options go up to 1 TB, so you never run out of space. The phone also has improved cooling technology. When it comes to cameras, the OnePlus 15 really shines. On the back, you get a triple camera setup, including a powerful main sensor, an ultra-wide camera, and a telephoto lens for zoom shots. Pictures come out crisp, with rich colors and great detail, even in low light. The night mode has been improved, so photos in dark areas look much brighter and clearer than before. The front camera is also upgraded, making selfies sharper and video calls smoother. If you love making videos, you'll enjoy the 8K recording option and the improved image stabilization that keeps your shots steady. Battery life is another big point for many people, and the OnePlus 15 does not disappoint. It has a large battery that lasts all day with normal use, even if you are gaming or streaming videos. And when the battery finally runs low, the 150W fast charging makes sure you're back at full power in less than half an hour. There's also wireless charging support for added convenience. In short, you won't have to worry about carrying a charger everywhere you go. Now let's talk about the software experience. The OnePlus 15 runs on Oxygen OS based on Android 15. The software is clean, simple, and fast. OnePlus has added useful features like better privacy settings, improved gestures, and AI-powered tools that make daily tasks easier. The company has also promised long-term updates, so you can expect your phone to stay secure and fresh for years. For connectivity, the OnePlus 15 has everything you need. It supports 5G for super-fast internet, Wi-Fi 7 for stable connections, and Bluetooth 5.3 for smooth pairing with headphones or smart devices. There's also an in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and improved stereo speakers that give you a loud and clear audio experience. Finally, let's look at the price. The OnePlus 15 is placed in the premium range, but it still costs less than many flagship phones from Samsung or Apple. Considering the display, performance, camera, and charging speed, it gives really good value for money. The phone comes in multiple storage variants, so you can pick the one that fits your budget. So should you buy the OnePlus 15? Well, if you want a phone with a stunning display, super fast performance, excellent cameras, and crazy fast charging, the OnePlus 15 is a great choice. It's perfect for gamers, content creators, and anyone who wants a flagship phone without paying the extra premium price of other brands. The OnePlus 15 brings together power, style, and speed in one package. With its smooth design, sharp display, strong performance, amazing cameras, and long-lasting battery, it's clear that OnePlus wants to stay among the top phone makers. If you're looking for a phone that balances price and premium features, the OnePlus 15 should definitely be on your list. That's all you need to know about the OnePlus 15 in just 5 minutes. What do you think? Will you be buying the OnePlus 15, or are you waiting for something else? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.